Outrage over the arrest of Indian diplomat Devyani Khobragade taking the form of a protest a stone's throw away from the US Embassy in Delhi's diplomatic enclave. A right-wing political party berating the US for arresting, stripping and cavity searching a woman diplomat while lodging her with drug addicts.
ये जो अपमान खुलेआम हो रहा है, ये अपमान बहुत गलत है। ये सिर्फ एक राजनीतिक अपमान नहीं है, ये 125 करोड़ देशवासियों का अपमान है। इससे हर आदमी अपमानित महसूस कर रहा है। आज हम अमेरिकन एम्बेसी को मेमोरेंडम दे करके ये मांग कर रहे हैं कि जितना जल्दी हो सकता है अमेरिका राष्ट्रपति हमारे देश के हमारे माफी मांगे और उस नारी से माफी मांगे जिसका अपमान हुआ है।
The Indian government's move suggests that it's sparing no effort to force the US's hand to relent. Khobragade has been transferred to the UN's permanent mission in New York to grant her full diplomatic immunity, higher than her previous consular status.
It's hurtful, it's distressing, it is unacceptable, and it's something on which, as I said, we need to give a very clear clarion call that it must be reversed.
This move follows the steps taken on Tuesday to curb privileges of US diplomats and removal of barricades outside the US Embassy. Even the PM has termed the entire episode deplorable. India has sent out a clear message to the US, going to the extent of saying a conspiracy has been hatched against the diplomat.
Today, our paramount concern, interest and determination is to be able to intervene effectively and specifically to ensure that the dignity of our officer is absolutely preserved.
The US is yet to react to the latest moves and statements made by the Indian government, but there have been indications that it is re-examining the circumstances that led to Khobragade's arrest and her subsequent treatment. The US State Department has, however, expressed concern over the withdrawal of its diplomats' privileges in India, but India remains unmoved.
We have conveyed at high levels to the government of India our expectations that India will continue to fulfill all of its obligations under the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations and Vienna Convention and Consular Relations.
There be no doubt that India is fully committed to implementing the Vienna Conventions. We understand our obligations and our rights under the Vienna Conventions, and we will implement them fully and also ask for their implementation fully.
Well, we certainly know it's a very sensitive issue in India, and we take that very seriously because we value the bilateral relationship so much, certainly. And that's why we're trying to gather more of the facts.
Because the Indians are upset.
For a host of issues.
The diplomat's former IS father has been doing some pressure building of his own. He met Union External Affairs and Home Ministers in Parliament on Tuesday, and now he's also complained to the SC Commission over his daughter's arrest and ill treatment.
हमारे कमीशन ने भारत के होम सेक्रेटरी को एक नोटिस जारी किया है और विदेश मंत्रालय के सेक्रेटरी को भी नोटिस जारी करके 7 दिन में रिपोर्ट की मांगी है। जिन्होंने ऐसी घिनौनी घटनाएं को अंजाम दिया है उनके खिलाफ भारतीय संविधान के आर्टिकल 338 के तहत FIR दर्ज की जाए।
Clearly, the US is confronted with a diplomatic assertive India on the issue of Devyani's arrest. But can it backpedal on the diplomat's arrest now when it has escalated the issue of minimum wage at home to such an extent? Bureau Report, DD News.